We are going to an orphanage which is abandoned.
Mama! Jesus! Mama! Please don't do anything to me, please! Please, I'm sorry. Jesus!
रोजिला,
Yeah.
आप और महक बाहर आ जाइए. It's okay. It's okay. Both of you together, nothing will happen.
It's okay. Give me your hand. Together. We're leaving. Stop crying. We're leaving. Jesus. No. It's me. It's okay. Now see, we're outside. Come. Don't worry. Oh shit! It's okay. I chanted, it didn't work.
It's okay. Nothing's happened to you. See, it worked.
I was trying to make it. Nothing worked.
You're outside, safe and sound. Come. And you okay? Bas karo.
I was chanting and trying to communicate also, but nothing stopped. There were so many noises. I was scared. My hands are numb, and so is my feet. It's still shivering.
I'm never gonna do this again in my entire life.
When I was sitting down, that's when, like, you know, the earth, I felt it shaking, and then after that the woods like just flew up.
I'm still numb.
Congratulations, girls. You survived the night. सब थोड़े से हिले हुए लग रहे हैं. जब आप लोग सबसे पहले गए ऑर्फनेज के अंदर ग्रुप चैलेंज के लिए तो क्या हुआ?
The moment we stepped in, जो door अंदर था, it just like, you know, it was open before, it just like shut, like, you know, it was as if like it knew that we were coming in. So like in there, like, don't come in. It was like that.
And then she was sitting once, and then she saw something on the ground. And what was that?
It was like, you know, the wooden planks, like there was like 2-3 wooden planks वहाँ पे.
But you were sitting right there.
Yeah, I was sitting on top of it. I mean, because actually I decided I'm not gonna move no matter what happens, because I was too scared. My legs were like, you know, literally shivering. I was like literally like this, and then suddenly I felt like, you know, the shake, like something like that. And then जो wooden planks जिसके ऊपर मैं बैठी थी, वो ऐसे जैसे like उड़ नहीं जाते, ऐसे like it flew up. That's when like it scared the shit out of me.
What is how can
See,
you...
energies, they have the power to take energy from the surrounding areas and do stuff like that. And if the plank was not very heavy,
It was not heavy,
It was,
yeah, it was
so it
light.
would have been very easy.
How about your experience?
The spirit was trying to communicate with me. And even I was like, tell me something about yourself. Is this your room? And how you died. I tried talking to her.
So क्या हुआ?
And at that time I was really scared, and I was really, you know, tensed and everything.
What about you, Meg?
I was too shaken. I couldn't stop crying because I was too feeling freaky actually. I was trying to chant. Still, I was not able to settle down the voices. I thought, you know, with the chant thing,
Which
might just
voices?
go off.
What kind of voices?
I heard crying things. You know, I was howling, I was crying. I saw, I heard voices howling with me. They were also crying, and then there were voices like too scary. I was like literally, I was breathless till I was crying. When I got into her company, I was little sure that I'm not going to die for sure. And
आपको
whatever.
लग रहा था कि
I will die.
somewhere in the
Because-
night you thought you were going to die.
Yeah, I thought I
We
would
told
die.
you nothing
because
will
I
happen.
was too scared.
आज जो आप लोगों का एक्सपीरियंस था, we saw that all of you, none of you backed out. आप सब ने अपने challenges किए जिस हद तक आपको करने थे. तो हम लोगों ने जाना परखा और we have a bad news that we don't have a winner. We have 2 winners. Congratulations. 2 of you are going to be one step closer to 5 lakh rupees. Rosella, congratulations, you're one of the girls. Well done. And between the 2 of you, Mehak, you're the winner. Congratulations. Well done. You also, your hand's still swollen.
But well done. Very well done. Yeah.
Yeah. You did it. I hope the experience was good enough for you to take back home. Yeah. Let's go.
We have all witnessed what has happened through the night. It's now time for some details with our analysis.
बहुत ही सैड जगह थी सबसे पहले आज जो हम गए थे वहाँ पे.
It was a very bad feeling.
स्टोरी बहुत खराब थी. ये रोजा के रूम में कुछ चीजें गिरी हैं. What is the explanation for that?
Maybe the spirits are trying to move the objects to play with them.
So there are definitely spirits there, you said.
Mama! Jesus! God, please help me, God! Mama!
If you see at the footage, Rosilla ज़मीन की तरफ देख के, and she's just backing off.
Abhishek, based on these experiences, okay, जो भी हमारे साथ हुआ, I believe जो भी spirit है वहाँ पे, that's very playful. या किसी और की
क्रिसमस ट्री भी जो गिरा है उसके रूम में.
बिल्कुल.
Even that,
Naughty spirits, you know, I would say. बच्चों की थी.
but not harmful.
not harmful.
I mean,
So what kind of place is this?
Definitely haunted with docile spirits.
Jan man kan conserva jai ko pistol logo jaga ram do to telefon da man jane ko province of nana. I faint right now. Please let me say please. Please let me say please.